Hello family, my name is David McCovey, founder of Evolution Travel and Epic Trading International. Guys, I'm born and raised in Las Vegas, Nevada, and got introduced to this amazing industry of network marketing in just a few short years ago, in 2013. Like a lot of you, I've had some great successes and I've had some failures as well, guys. But what I did understand is there came a point where I had to make a decision for myself and for my family. So at that point, in the network marketing space, I couldn't find a home, guys, so I built one. We had an amazing run, and it's still actually running in our very first company of Evolution Travel. We've been around for 5 years, over $200 million in sales. But what we did and what we understood is that when you have success, you can have more success. So we opened our eyes and partnered with some amazing individuals to now create what is called Epic Trading International, family. It is the fastest growing network marketing company in this space right now, bar none. So what you see behind me is this amazing backdrop of this amazing resort that we're at. Barcelo, Riviera, Cancun, Mexico. What you'll learn as you watch this video is the power of what we have here in Epic. It's celebrated, not just tolerated. We have some amazing individuals who've knocked down some amazing milestones, guys. 6-figure incomes in only 30 days. Now, what we don't do here at Epic is make income claims, but what we will share with you is what happens when you get involved and put the work in. Now, success is not the same for everyone. My version may not be your version and vice versa. We may want separate things, but what we can guarantee you here at Epic is that you'll have the platform to reach whatever level of success that you want to have. Stay tuned to the video, guys. We want you to take a glimpse into your future. What we always say, why be average when you can be epic? Everybody, hope you're having an incredible time no matter where you are. I hope you can feel the incredible time that we're having. All of the ambassadors got together and they're just having a blast. I mean, an epic experience right now. Here's what I want you to know. This particular weekend was bigger than just individuals. It was bigger than business. It became family, epic family. Matter of fact, we're not just talking about the beaches of the world anymore. We're not selling the future. We're actually on the beaches of the world. Would you agree?
I agree, guys. Look, this industry is about hope. Right now, don't stop dreaming. Don't stop hoping. We have leaders here who have accomplished amazing things in 30 days or less. The only thing we're missing right now is you. We're building a brand new family. A brand new family. Come on and join us. We know many of you have never left companies, but companies have left you. We're going to be here for a long time. We're the fastest growing home-based business in this space anywhere in the world. We're epic. Come on and join us.